Hello guys, now we are going to learn Wireshark Lab on Ethernet and ARP protocols. Here in this lab, this is the part of link layer addressing. As you know, we casually use Ethernet cables, Ethernet to provide internet. And in this one, we may see MAC addresses and IP addresses, how the packets are going and coming with the help of data link layer between two devices. Here we are going to study capturing and analyzing Ethernet frames. When we are capturing the data, it creates 111 address of the frames. It is nothing in Wireshark, we call it as data frames. First, as usual, clear your history of an Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, any internet browser. Then simply first open Wireshark. Here I am opening the Wireshark. Before I will increase the brightness. Now open Wireshark and just now open this link on your browser. This is the bill of right context. This generates as a HTTP connection between these two devices. So how the actually here data link and Ethernet ARP protocol works with the help of this document we are going to learn. First most we will learn some basics. Here Ethernet means as we discussed is it's the part of data link layer. This provides intermediate connection between our laptop and the holder of the internet to server. Here its key feature is it identifies MAC address and frame structure. And other thing is ARP address resolution protocol. Like sometimes, as we know that IP addresses, if we connect to our device to another device, means the IP address will change according to the available network ISP there. So here MAC address is permanent, but IP address is not permanent. So destination to destination it's different, but MAC address is permanent. So it solves the issue of IP to MAC addresses depending upon the MAC which resource or which device need this resource. It will provide with the help of MAC address. IP address may be vary, but depending upon the MAC address, we will solve this problem. Now already Wireshark we have turned on. Now just simply turn off. I think I already stopped near C. These are the packets. Now simply filter HTTP because we have sent the document, right? This is the sending response, this is the receiving response, and this is the IP address of our device, and this is the IP address of the server where we got that information. Now the further step is we are solving the questions. Here as you see that in this picture also, you see the last step is stop white shot, we already done. If you want only interested in capturing packets by HTTP only we need, so you want to disable IPA box, then you can. In my case I am not disabling because I will only choose to HTTP protocols. In that already we can see. If it is difficult means you can disable it, just go to the statics not here, you need go to capture minute, captured nine analyze, then analyze enable protocols. In this just filter IP, it will automatically close it. Now solve the questions. What is the 48-bit Ethernet address of your computer? Here you may see Ethernet 2. The destination is this. This one is the MAC address of our destination. This is source. First select this packet from our client. Then our source is MAC address is 00.d0.59a9 3d68, and destination MAC address is this one. So solution for the first one is this one. And second one, what is the 48-bit destination address in the Ethernet frame? Is the Ethernet address of GSCS UMass Education? What device has this as its Ethernet address? Here they casually asked IP address, but they also mentioned that there is no need of IP address. Just see the MAC address of it. Here IP, if you want to see the IP address means you will go to the Internet Protocol version. Here IP address and destination address are available for our device and the server where we are getting the information. And then as they mentioned, they need destination MAC address. This is the destination MAC address, and here this is also our MAC address only, source MAC address. As you here also you can see destination MAC address also here, both the options here visible. Then third question, give the hexadecimal value for the 2 byte frame type field. What upper layer protocol does this correspond to? This is simple. Just go to the Ethernet 2, and you may say this is the type IPv4 and 0x0800. This is the upper transmission protocol. This is the solution for third one. And fourth question, how many bytes from the very start of the Ethernet phase does the RC get in appears in the Ethernet frame? It's casually asking how much bytes it's transferring. From this I will show you. The first, go to the link. This overall document, how many bytes it's asking. It's giving the suggestion that we need to go to the already we have filter HTTP, then go to the hypertext transfer protocol, select the here files. You may see that is 58 bytes. It's asking the how many bytes is transferred. It is 58 bytes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, keep bye bye.